Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to see the English grammar topic simile and metaphor. We will be seeing the examples, definition, and how to identify them and some exercise based on them. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy this content and share it with your friends. You can also find other grammar topics in the playlist, also contents from NIOS, Senior Secondary, Mathematics, Computer Science and English subject as well. So let's begin. What is a simile? Simile is a figure of speech that is used to show or compare any of the object with any other thing. Okay, we will be using the term like or as to use them or to describe them. We can see some examples. She is as fast as a cheetah. The baby slept like a log. His hands were as cold as ice. So what is happening in each of the examples is she is being compared with a cheetah due to its speed. Okay. Here the baby is compared to the log, compared to the log, the way he is sleeping, and you can see here like is used. Here you can see as fast as is used. Next example is his hands were as cold as. So the hands are compared to ice due to its chillness. Now you can see here as is used, either like or as is used in case of a simile. So comparison is happening using the words like and as. Okay, two things can be compared to each other. Now let's see what is a metaphor. So metaphor is similar to your simile, but the difference is that they are also used for comparing. But here, instead of using the word like or as, directly we will be using any first object to the second object, and we think that the first object is same as the second object. Okay, here no like or as these words or any other keywords are used. Nothing like that is used here. We will see some example which will make it easier. Her smile is sunshine. So smile is compared to sunshine, but the smile itself is a sunshine. That way it is shown here in the example. The classroom was a zoo. So classroom is a place, zoo is another place. Both of them are compared, or we can say classroom itself is called as a zoo in case of a metaphor. Next one is my brother is a bear in the morning. So my brother, and he's compared to a bear in the morning. So brother itself is a bear. So that kind of comparison happens in case of metaphor. Similarly, the words like and as is used, whereas metaphor, you don't have to use any words. The terms that are being compared will be written as such, and both terms will be seen as one. Let's see the example using simile. So here if you see, you have to use like or as and filling the blanks. The clouds were as fluffy as. So clouds are to be compared to something else. So let's think of any example which is as fluffy. So you can compare it with a cotton candy. Cotton candy is a fluffy thing. So clouds are fluffy as cotton candy. He ran like wind. Maybe very fast he ran like a wind. Her voice was as sweet as honey, maybe. Any comparison you can make. The dog barked like siren. Okay. The water was as cold as ice, maybe. So any comparison can be done. Since it is simile, you can see all the examples contain either as or like. So as fluffy as, and here it is like keyword, here as sweet as, barked like, as cold as. These kinds of words are used for simile. Let's move on to the next example, that is your metaphor, and here you have to keep in mind that you don't have to use like or as. No need to use. So let's see. My brother is a blank when he eats dinner. So brother is compared to something when he eats dinner. So he can be compared to a wild animal maybe. Okay. So he acts like a wild animal when he eats his dinner. Her eyes were blank, glowing in the dark. It can be like stars. Eyes can be compared to stars. The classroom was a blank during the party, so it may be noisy. So it is compared to as a zoo. The classroom itself was a zoo during the party. That book is a blank full of adventure. So adventure is there. So book can be compared to some similar word. Let's write as roller coaster. Okay, so roller coaster is adventurous. So as the book is. His brain is a blank full of knowledge. So it has so much of knowledge. Maybe it can be library, or maybe you can compare it to a computer, anything. So let it be library. His brain is a library full of knowledge. So brain itself is compared to a library without any keywords like or as. So in all examples you can see that difference from simile. The book is a roller coaster. The classroom itself is a zoo. Eyes were star, and brother is a wild animal. So this way you have to fill this metaphor in your writing. So usually these are used in poem where the comparison happens. Already we have seen the My Grandmother's House poem where the comparisons are being done. There this kind of comparisons are used using simile and metaphor, and also you can see in the leisure poem these usages are there. Let's move on to the next exercise, that is to write simile or metaphor next to each sentence. So the stars were like diamonds in the sky. The word like is used here. Stars were like diamonds in the sky. So you can see here the word like is used, so it belongs to your simile. My little brother is a monkey. Brother is compared to a monkey without any special effects or special words. So in this case it is a metaphor. Next one is her hands were as cold as ice. So hands and eyes both are there. Simile. Next is time is a thief that steals our moments. So time itself is compared to a thief. Okay, time is not like thief, time is a thief. So in that case it is metaphor. Next one is he swims like a fish. So the word is like here. He swims like a fish. So his swimming is compared to that of a fish. In this case you can say it is simile. Hope this video was useful to you, where you got the difference between both these terms, simile and metaphor, and you can use it well in your writing. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and share this with your friends and family. Also do subscribe to the channel to get notifications for other videos on time. Thank you for watching.